Hello guys, this is actually the volatility indices we trade, which this is the step index. So this is step index. Recently they added this step index, step 100 index. That was actually what was added recently. So that helps us to have all these step indices. So for now, we are going to be analyzing the step index and we are looking at the daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, what can we understand? We can understand that the market is actually on what we'll call a downward trend. So if you want to mark your trend line this way, you find out that we had a break and markets bounced into it. We had a break, market bounced into it. So we can simply just connect it to this point, understanding that we are playing around a downtrend. Connect this lows to this low. So understanding the trend helps a lot in the market. So understanding the trend actually helps a lot in the market. Now I want to just connect it. I like to connect my trend from week to week. So we'll connect it from that week to this week. So now we already understand that market is playing around this trend. Now the two things we can simply do is come in here. We can simply connect this low, which is the lowest point we're looking at for market to get to, and then we connect this high, which is the highest point market got to. So we are trading between this zone to this zone. So we've simply marked out the zone. Now what next are we going to be looking out for? We would simply be going to the smaller time frame to understand the structure we'll be taking on this particular market. So on the 4 hours time frame, let's see on the 4 hours time frame, first thing we can be able to look out for is one, we have to start from this area. We saw a break of structure to the upside, and then we actually were looking for a retest, which happened here. Market pushed to the upside, fine. At this point we got a break of structure, so there are a lot of push to the upside, but then this was the main zone market broke, which was this area. So this was this structure market broke to the downside. That's the first one. This remains the high, and then we have this area again. So this actually is the next area market broke structure. This is the next resistance. This is the next structure also market broke. So this is our high, this is our lower high, this is our low, this is our lower low. Now we have to still check out and we'll see this is our lower low, lower high, sorry. So we mark this lower high. And then we can also see we can mark our lower low. So now making use of the lows, we actually are making use of this low, this lower high, and this lower high, this lower low, and this lower low to be able to understand what we'll be looking out to do. Now based on that, we can simply go to the smaller time frame. So on the smaller time frame, the character of the market begins to play out straight on a straight pattern. So what we can simply do is we can either pick the character of this market here, or we work with the overall move. So yeah, or work with the overall move. Now one thing we can see clearly here is market at this area gave us, when market broke this structure and we marked it from that point to this low, you can find that our market reversed into the 0.618 level, and then it gave us our sell-off. So market reversed into this area and gave us our sell-off, which was this, our stop loss at this point. Yeah. Our stop loss at this point, and market hit take profit here. So market hit take profit here. So ideally, we also love to wait for market to get to this point, which is our overall take profit. But on a lot of occasions, market always reverses from this point, it reverses before making the next wave. So now, having understood that this is what we are looking out for, after understood that market has tapped the first level, we are looking for a possible reversal into this zone. So now what are we to do? The clear thing we have to do is, one, we'll remove this. Remove this. So the clear thing we have to do now is, we have to clearly now mark from this zone to this area, and then market is to reverse at either levels, either our 0.618 level or our 0.79. So we mark it from this point to this point. So having understood that, we are clearly looking out for market to come into this area. Clearly looking out for market to reverse, come into this area for us to take our sells. So basically, market gets into this area, this is how we are taking our trade. Our stop loss would be here on this first entry, and our take profit would be here. And then if it gets into this point, our stop loss would be here, and then our take profit would be here also. So this basically will be our first entry, and this will be our second entry. So if our stop loss if we get stopped out here, the next trade will be triggered and the stop loss will be placed, take profit here. So this is it, guys, for volatility for step index. So this is it, guys, for step index, and would simply with patience and wait for market to give us reaction.